Okay, here's something you may not know. Drinking beer can cause back pain, especially as tailgating and race season kicks off right here in Tampa Bay. Back today to explain why is Dr. Michael Perry from Laser Spine Institute. Good morning. Welcome back.
Thank you.
A lot of people aren't maybe going to want to hear this.
Yes.
But you're going to break it down for us.
Yes.
What is it about? Is it just specifically beer, or is it kind of alcohol in general?
It's alcohol in general.
Okay.
All right. Alcohol has a few effects on the body. And people don't think that it can actually have an issue with their back, but let's think about it. When you drink and consume alcohol, it will lower your inhibitions.
Okay.
All right. So you want to do things you may not do not having the alcohol in your system. So you may twist or turn or move in a position that you normally don't. That can aggravate or cause a back problem.
Makes sense.
And the other things, you may lift things, or you may tend to feel you're a lot stronger when you've had a little consumption of alcohol. So you lift something. Again, that can aggravate.
And we're not even talking about really a lot of alcohol here.
No, it could be just a couple of drinks. Same thing, it also inhibits your sensation to respond to pain impulses. So you have a couple of drinks, you have a discomfort with your back, but you're not sensing it.
Well, I was just going to ask if there's really kind of anything going on inside, you know, that changes how you feel or how you act.
Well, it does, because it deadens your pain impulses. So if you've got a problem with your back and it's causing discomforts, when you consume alcohol, you're not realizing it. Right? So you're going to be doing things while you're still having discomfort.
I guess back in the day, that's why they gave you, to help with pain.
That's right,
if they were
exactly.
doing surgery
That's right, you could buy alcohol and that's for pain. Another thing is that relaxes muscles. So if you think about it, your spine is supported by a large structure of muscles in the back and the abdomen. And if you relax these muscles, the support system is broken down. And therefore, if you've got a problem with your neck or back, or specifically lower back, it can aggravate the back condition because your muscles are not as supportive as they were when you were not drinking alcohol.
Interesting. Okay.
Another thing, calories. We've all heard of beer belly.
Yes, yes.
All right, so you add on the calories by consuming alcohol, and if you gain weight, that in itself can aggravate a condition with your lower back.
Fascinating.
Another point is depression. Alcohol can cause depression.
Oh, yeah.
And that would decrease your ability to heal or to maintain a proper posture. People are depressed, they tend to slump, they tend not to take care of themselves as much as they should, and that can aggravate and add on to a back issue.
So what's your take home here as we kind of just look at alcohol here before we kind of get into
If you're going to drink, drink in moderation. If you're going to drink, have an alcoholic beverage and then have a non-alcoholic beverage.
Okay. Water's
water, Gatorade, anything. Soda,
okay.
Cola. Alcohol is diuretic, which means you'll want to urinate. All right, so you're going to be dehydrated, so it's important for you to maintain hydration, and so drinking a non-alcoholic beverage after drinking consuming alcohol would be best.
Anything else we should mention? We have a little less than a minute left, but if someone is experiencing back pain, I mean, it's hard to know if it's just kind of, all right, so I've just done something and it's going to go away. I mean, how do you know when it's time to go?
Well, typically when it's severe and it's not responding to treatments that you're doing at home, like medications, ice or heat, typically patients will go see their primary care who can recommend conservative, non-surgical treatment. But when it gets beyond that, if they've tried conservative treatment and it's not helping and it's really debilitating, interfering with the quality of their life, it's important to seek further treatment by specialists. We at Laser Spine Institute do a very thorough clinical evaluation to determine the precise pain generator, and then we take care of that if there's a surgical issue.
Yeah, good to know. Well, doctor, again, thank you so much for being here. We love the topics when you come on and chat with us, and there is the information if you have any questions as well. They have a number, great website to find out more information on social media as well. So again, thank you so much, doctor. We look forward to seeing you again soon.
Absolutely.